Here at Absolute Plumbing and Drain, we specialize in trenchless sewer repair from your home or business. Our process, called trenchless pipe bursting, allows us to rehabilitate your sewer lateral back to better than new condition by bursting out your old pipe and replacing it with a new one without having to dig up your property. First, we run a sewer camera down into your sewer pipes to identify any potential problems. Once we determine the sewer line is able to be rehabilitated, we dig 2 small pits, one for entry and the other for exit. Next, we position the bursting head into the host pipe and then connect a cable from the bursting head to the pneumatic press at the end location. Once engaged, the pneumatic press slowly pulls the bursting head all the way through the entire length of the pipe, bursting out the old damaged pipe, while simultaneously pulling in a brand new pipe. The new pipe has no seams or joints, eliminating any future root penetration or leaks. The pipe is then heat fused on both ends of the pipe, ensuring a watertight seal. Once completed, we then backfill the small pits and restore your property back to its original condition. If you would like to learn more about our trenchless sewer rehabilitation process, give us a call today at 925-676-1900 or visit our website at www.absoluteplumbinganddrain.com for more information.